A hearing has been set in the pro-Palestinian UF student group case. The group, Students for Justice in Palestine at the University of Florida, filed a lawsuit against the state university system chancellor after he issued an order targeting such organizations. The lawsuit says the order violated First Amendment rights. This comes as the war between Israel and Hamas has spurred fierce debates. The UF student group's hearing, that is set for January 26th. Protecting victims of domestic violence. A state lawmaker recently proposed a bill to strengthen domestic violence prevention in Florida. The bill is named the Gabby Petito Act after the Florida woman killed by her boyfriend during a cross-country trip. As News4Jax reporter Khalil Maycock shares, this bill seeks to have police responding to domestic violence calls conduct a test predicting the likelihood of serious injuries or victim deaths.
It's a symbol of care, help.
PK Mickens is describing what the hand on the outside of her building means. This is where Mickens, who's a survivor of domestic violence, helps others who've been through the same thing.
When you were going through those abusive relationships, what were you like? How were you then?
At that time, I was afraid. I was telling people that I was in that situation, fear of being judged, just I guess at a lower, not feeling confident.
The National Coalition Against Domestic Violence says nearly 20 people per minute are physically abused by an intimate partner in the United States. According to the latest data from the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, in 2019 through 2020, when it comes to St. Johns and Duval County reported domestic violence offenses like simple assault increase. During that same time period in Duval County, the number of murders increased, but that same thing in St. Johns County stayed the same. To help victims of domestic violence, this week, a Florida state senator filed this bill proposal. It wants to require law enforcement, when responding to calls for domestic incidents, to conduct lethality assessments. That's designed to evaluate the potential for serious injury or death through early intervention. This bill also wants FDLE to collaborate with the Sheriff's Association and Police Chiefs Association and domestic violence advocacy organizations to develop policies, procedures, and training programs to implement that assessment. The bill was first introduced to the lawmaker by Gabby Petito's father. Gabby was the Southwest Florida woman who authorities say was strangled by her fiancé during a cross-country trip in August of 2021.
When you hear that they are trying to get more protection or just do more efforts to help people with domestic violence, how does something like that make you feel?
Well, I like the fact that they're honing in on it and trying to help those who are in that situation.
And Mickens says she hopes more bills like this are proposed that help victims. Khalil Maycock, Channel 4, the local station.
We reached out to the Florida Sheriff's Association and the Police Chiefs Association to ask them about being mentioned in this bill proposal. The Sheriff's Association sent a statement saying, in part, we are early in the process of this legislation as our legislative committee is reviewing the drafts. The Gabby Petito Act will be discussed during the next legislative session that begins January 9th. We will keep you updated as it moves through this process.